Hey guys, welcome to my channel Chic to Style. For this video, I'm gonna style this blazer into many different ways. So for the first look, I'm wearing the blazer as is with these biker shorts and sports bra inside, and I paired it with these clear heels, and I'm wearing my hair half up, half down on in a bun. And yeah, that's the whole look. I really like the vibe of this look. This is very sporty girl boss kind of look at the same time. I mean, it looks very put together, but you are actually wearing literally wearing your workout clothes. For the next look, I just added this belt to cinch in my waist, and yeah, it is now more structured than before, and everything is same all about it. And yeah, that's it. And you can wear literally wear your husband, boyfriends, or any men's blazer for any event to look more put together, bossy and classy, and all that good stuff. And I added this white bag to tie in the look, and yeah, I have a complete look. For the next outfit, I'm wearing these wide leg pants with these blazer, and actually I tucked in the whole blazer underneath, and that's all about it. I actually wanted to add a waist belt to cinch in my waist, but I couldn't find at that very moment. So I would suggest go for a belt, waist belt, or any corset belt to cinch in your waist, because you are wearing oversized from top to bottom, so you need to cinch in your waist to look more put together and chic. And yeah, that's all about it. I really like how this look turned out. I mean, it is kind of color blocking as well, so everything works out. For the next outfit, I'm wearing these pencil skirt and sports bra with these blazer. What I'm doing is I actually buttoned the last button of the blazer from behind, and that's all about it. And I really like how this look turned out. I mean, it is a very simple trick, but it looks like you have put in a lot of effort. And even this blazer is not looking that oversized now, and you have this padded shoulder look as well. And yeah, that's it. You can literally do this trick to your any dress or any with your jeans, with any top. And yeah, that's all about it. For the next outfit, I'm wearing this scarf wrapped around over my waist as a skirt, and yeah, that's all about it. As you can see, I cinched in the waist very tightly so that I look more structured and put together, because that blazer is giving oversized look on the top, so I wanted that waist definition that I told you earlier. And yeah, I really like how this look turned out. You can literally make any scarf your skirt. Also guys, follow me on Instagram at Chic to Style. I post a lot of fashion stuff, so follow me, link in description. Also, I have mentioned all the outfit details in the description, so don't forget to check description as well. And subscribe to my channel, like everything. So for the next outfit, I am wearing this lehenga skirt with this blazer, and I paired it with this, and yeah, that's all about it. So I gave the whole outfit a ethnic touch. So it is like a fusion of girl bossy modern look with this ethnic lehenga. I really like how this look looks on my body. For the next outfit, I'm wearing the blazer. Same trick that I told you earlier. I just buttoned the last button of the blazer from behind with these boyfriend jeans and crop top, and heels are same, everything is same. And yeah, that's all about it. I really like how this look turned out, and it is very effortlessly chic and classy. You can turn your boyfriend jeans normal classic street style look into a very structured, classy, put together look. And I added this belt to tie in the look, and yeah, that's all about it. For the next outfit, I'm wearing half of the blazer here. So I put the one hand on my shoulder and other is tightening it. And yeah, that's all about it. And for the last outfit, I'm wearing this blazer that goes along with these blazer. I am wearing it as like a corset, so I can have matching corset and then blazer, and this video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, guys, give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I literally just started out a month ago, so I really need that boost to grow on YouTube. And it takes a lot of effort to make the video and then edit it and post it, so all that shenanigans. So please subscribe to my channel Chic the Style and follow me on Instagram at the Chic the Style. All my social links will be in description and also on the screen. Thank you for watching and like, comment, bell button सब कर देना यार. Yeah, see you next time. Bye.